Now let us see the 134 question. Which of the following alkane can't be made in good yield by Wurtz reaction? By using a Wurtz reaction among the four options, which can't be prepared, which alkane can't be prepared. Okay. Now let us try to understand what you meant by Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction means when 2 moles of alkyl halide react with 2 moles of sodium to give alkane plus 2 moles of sodium chloride. By using a Wurtz reaction, you can produce the even number of carbons only. This not form the odd number of carbons. That means here producing of 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. This type of compounds are produced. Now let us verify the given options. N-hexane. N-hexane here 6 carbons are present. This is a even. This can be produced by Wurtz reaction. Now let us look into the reaction. CH3 bond CH2, CH2, Cl plus 2 moles of sodium. Here 2 moles of CH3, CH2, CH2 bond Cl plus 2 moles of sodium to gives rise to CH3, CH2, 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 CH3 plus 2 moles of sodium chloride. Here N-hexane is produced. Here how many number of carbons are present here? Number of carbons are 6. 6 is an even number. Here butane. Butane that means 4 carbons even number. Here N-butane also containing 4 carbons which is an even number which will be produced by using a Wurtz reaction. But option 3 it have the odd number of carbons. That means it has 7 carbons. 7 carbons is not produced by Wurtz reaction. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer.